Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this new episode of Cut TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Passionate Crafting, and it's called Shopping Spree Pink 2. You get 3 sheets and it's for a 7x7 inch card. The cup number is cup 1050455_20051. I'd like to show you the sheets and then we'll make the gorgeous card. So in the kit you get 3 sheets and you get the front for the actual card blank. You get lots and lots of extra sentiments that you can cut out and use maybe on the card, for tags on the envelope, etc. The second sheet is all the decoupage. Now it's up to you. If you're a new crafter, you don't have to use it all. You've got different sentiments for the front if you want to use a different sentiment, and then you've got the decoupage and the accessories and the flowers that you can cut out and use with 3D foam to build up the card front. Then you've also got the card insert and some mini designs as well. So we're going to make the card and we're actually going to use an 8x8 card blank. So it shows the versatility of the design, just in case you haven't got any 7x7s. I'm going to use the 8x8, but I think it just, like I say, it shows the versatility of the designs. If you buy something that's 7x7, you can quite easily make it on an 8x8 base. So this is just a white blank card base, and I'm going to start on the back of the card, and I'm just going to use my bone folder to make sure that the card has a nice sharp crease along the edge. And on the back of the card I'm going to use one of the actual blank labels that's included in the kit. So I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm simply going to position it on the back of my card, like so. And that, I think, is perfect for you to add made by Anne-Marie or whoever, just on the back so the recipient knows who's made it for them. I think it's just going to bring the card together and it's a nice finishing touch. So we're going to put the insert into the card now. Now for any new crafters, the insert, it just gives, I think, an overall total finished look to the card. And it's a nice way of decorating the inside to match the outside. You've got enough room for a nice message, and it's just so pretty. Now all I've done is added flat double-sided tape on the back of the insert so I can remove the back of the tape, and for new crafters that'll leave the sticky section on the actual part that I'm going to add. So if you don't have double-sided tape, you'll be able to use any forms of flat glue, whether it's a tape runner or maybe the white liquid glue, something like that, whatever you're happy using. So I'm going to position the insert in the middle of the card, and that way it gives it a nice border around the edge. I'm going to press it down, and that is as simple as that for the insert. So now we can turn our attention to the front of the card. Now the first thing that I've done, I've used some extra pink and black card and I've layered them up just with 1/4 of an inch difference around the edge, flat tape on the back of it, and then I can add this to the front of my card to give it the matte and layered look. I've used the black towards the back to draw the eye in. So that's my first layer. So now I'm going to take the base layer, the image layer from the sheets, and I've got flat tape on the back of that. I can peel the back of it away, and then I can position this through the centre of our previous layers. There we go. Now that looks awesome as it is, but we're just going to add a little bit of dimension to it using the decoupage that's included in the kit. So the first thing that I've cut out is the sentiment and the extra strip. I've got 3D foam on the back of it, and I'm just going to position it over the previous layer, like so. Press it down. Then I've taken the sentiment again, and again I've got 3D foam on the back of it. Now for any new crafters, we're building up the layers to decoupage to give it the three-dimensional effect, and it will just stand out so well with the layers. Next, I've cut out and decoupaged the lady, and I've got her on 3D foam. So all you do is simply marry the pattern up underneath and place layer on top of layer. Next, I've got the shopping bags, and again on 3D foam. And then as the decoupage gets smaller, that builds up a bigger 3D impression. So again on 3D foam, and then I've taken the little bow that's at the top of the sentiment and added foam. And then to finish the card off, I've cut out one of the floral bouquets. I've put it on 3D foam, and I'm simply just going to layer it over the flowers on the sentiment like that. There we go. And that is our card finished. And everything matches in so perfectly. The insert to the outside. See how that kind of ties it all in if you put your name in there. So our insert, and then we can see all our decoupage on the front, and it's built up such a beautiful card. I just want to remind you of the cup number and the details. So it's cup 1055_20051, and you can see all of Passionate Crafting's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website, www.craftsuprint.com, and you will be able to search by designer, and everything will be there before your eyes. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall see you next time.